course, guys, how beautiful is Louis Vuitton, diba? Everybody loves Louis Vuitton. So, ayan, this is the Toiletry size 28. Let's open what's inside, okay? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel once again. For today's video, hindi ko kayo na-update about sa, alam niyo na, I usually do reviews with regards sa mga bags, fashion, wallets and all. But medyo busy lang ang schedule ko these days. So for today's video guys, I've been wanting this pouch, okay, or toiletry, size number 28. Here it is. It's a Louis Vuitton toiletry, size number 28. So here it is. It is size number 28, and we will see what's inside and how beautiful it is, guys. It comes with a dust bag. Yan. May dust bag na akong na-keep. So, I'm keeping this toiletry pouch. Actually, para hindi siya madumihan. And let's go. Let's see what's inside. And I'm going also to give you a preview how to authenticate this Louis Vuitton toiletry canvas in size 28. So let's go. Let's see what's inside. Usually guys, why I really wanted to have this, it's not only to put my toiletries and all. So this is very useful to me because as you know, sa mga subscribers ko and sa mga friends ko, I am known to be a lady with big bags talaga. Very, very rare that you will find me carrying a small bags. I usually carry many things with me all the time. So kaya nga ako masakit ang likod, diba? Kaya masakit ang likod at nagpapa-therapy tayo. So ayan, I usually wanted this one. And of course, you know guys, how beautiful is Louis Vuitton, diba? Everybody loves Louis Vuitton. So ayan, this is the toiletry size 28. Let's open what's inside, okay? So it's here. Ayan. O, diba? Naka-organized. Ayan. So we'll start. Syempre, it is white inside, as you can see. So I have really to be careful on what I'm going to put inside para hindi siya madumihan, okay? So of course, meron akong pouch, another pouch, a small pouch. What's inside here? Ito yung baby cream ko, yung Garni. Yan. Meron ako dyan. Meron akong mascara. And sandamakpak. Ang dami pala nila. I really don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kilay is life nga talaga, di ba? Kasi guys, these 1, 2, and 3, 4 are all pang kilay. Kaya kilay is life, right? And I have my eyeliner. It's liquid eyeliner. Earlier, nasabi ko sa inyo that I'm using Miniso, made in Japan. It is double actually, guys. Double and thick and thin. So, depende sa'yo kung anong klaseng wing ang gagamitin mo sa eyes mo. So, it's very good. Very well recommended from Miniso actually. Hindi ako binigo ng eyeliner na to. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng eyeliner sa Miniso, blue po siya. Meron din akong pencil na black. Kajal siya. And I bought this one in Flormar. I have another one, waterproof precise eyeliner. This is as well from Miniso. So, dalawa ang meron ako na eyeliner. So, in case walang isa or paubos na. So, I have one with me. And meron akong lip liner. This is as well from Flormar. Maliit na siya. Super liit. Ang ganda nito. Kaya, gamit ko pa rin siya. So, ayan. one down. And next, Daily Life Forever 52 Professional Studio Blush. I have this one with me, Studio Blush. This is color, how can I say? Little pinkish, little light lang siya, light pink. And it's very good. Hindi siya ganun ka-red, hindi siya ganun ka-pink, hindi siya matapang, and it's really light and it's really beautiful. Forever 52, well recommended as well. Ang ganda. You know, I'm a hotelier, guys, so it's really required for me to use makeup. I really need to use makeup kasi kailangan ng, alam nyo na, pag meetings, kailangan na magpaganda. And I have this one. Actually, this is for my daughter. I just asked her this one to have it with me kasi ang cute-cute niya. I have my lipstick here. As sinabi ko na sa inyo, I really wanted to protect this Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch kasi ayokong madumihan because it's color white. So I tried to preserve it in putting a different pouches para talaga hindi ko ma-messed up ang inner. So I have here, meron akong small na ipet. And I have a lipstick here. I'm only using two colors. If it's not light pink, somehow parang nude, hindi siya super nude, but then ganito ang color niya. This is from Estee Lauder. This is my second one kasi naubos ko na yung isa. Pure Color Envy Matte Lipstick Rough. Okay, the number of this is 208. Favorite ko ito. Very simple siya, and actually this is the lipstick that I'm using, and shout out to Sissy Jade. Whenever I wore this lipstick, she said it's really nice on me. Kaya thank you, Sissy Jade. And ayun, meron din akong red. This is from Top Face. Very good din siya, pero actually this is made in Turkey and Turkey product, so very nice and well recommended as well. And meron akong business card holder. Ayan. Meron akong ayan. So usually when I go to meetings, I carry this with me. So ayan. And I have this pantasa with me. This is also from, I believe, binili ko siya sa Forever 52. Kinikip ko rin siya kasi sometimes may mga nagme-messed up. So ayan, meron din siyang small pouch. And this is my best friend. Katingko ointment. It's really very good, and ayan, I just like this. I just love this. And of course, meron din akong face powder, guys. This is actually from Max Factor. Ayan. My favorite. This is my favorite. Ayan, gustong-gusto ko to, and my color is Toffee. Bagay lang siya sa skin tone ko. Last one, the last but not the least, my Gucci Guilty Intense perfume. So this is one of my favorite perfume. Really love this smell. Intense siya. Well recommended to those who love a strong scent but yet hindi siya masakit sa ulo. This perfume is perfect for us. 75 ml siya, and then Euro di perfume din siya. So, ayan, matagal siyang mawala. Usually, pagka nag-perfume ako and I send it to laundry, the next time na dumating yung laundry ko, to be honest with you guys, andun pa rin yung amoy nitong perfume. Kaya, Gucci Guilty, napakaganda. To complete this review, inside guys, naka-indicate siya. Ayan, mayroon din siyang lagayan dyan. Okay. Nakalagay sa kanyang zipper. It has Swiss made from here. Ayan. And meron po siyang code, guys, nandito. Ayan. And overall, meron din siya palang etiketa. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Ito po siya. Ayan. So, and overall review with this toiletry pouch. Sana hindi ko na talaga siya mabenta muna. Because it's very hard actually to find this one. I bought this toiletry pouch as pre-love from Sis Divine. Ang kanyang page, ilalagay ko po. Marami po siya mga authentic Louis Vuitton, Prada, Chanel. Napakaganda ng kanyang mga items. It's all authentic. Very trusted seller here in Dubai, UAE. This is Divine. Napakaganda po. I'm going to include her link para sa mga friends ko na gusto at mahilig din bumili ng bag. Ito po ang kanyang channel sa Facebook niya. And sana po ma-visit nyo rin ang kanyang page, Sis Divine. Shout out to you and to Ashley, to your daughter, and to Kuya. So ayan. So ayan guys, maraming salamat. Yun lang po. For me, it's really well-deserved na item na kung kayo ay katulad ko na mahilig magdala ng mga maraming gamit. And of course, sometimes, diba, we're traveling, but these days, I can say, hindi tayo makakapag-travel. Napaka-useful niya kasi it's size 28 and you can put a lot of things. At the same time, if you see it, of course, it's Louis Vuitton. It's so beautiful. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Nalagay ko na lahat ng gamit ko. Ayan. Still organized. Napakagandang organizer niya. I mean, alam mo yon, if you have a medium bag and then you'll put everything in here. Like, my bag is there. So, ang ganda pa ng magiging shape ng bag natin. Okay? So, ayan. So, thank you so much guys for watching this video. And of course, try to watch out. Meron ulit akong i-review na Louis Vuitton agenda. And some of my bags na hindi ko pa na-review. Sana lang hindi ako mag-busy. Once again, thank you so much everyone who's always supporting me. And once again, to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, sana po makasubscribe kayo if you like this video. I'm working on that. I'm working on the journey that I had as I know I'm always telling this na I will start. But you know, sometimes guys, when I tried to start recording a video, sometimes emotional talaga ako. So sometimes hindi ko maituloy kasi when I'm going to look back sa mga napagdaanan ko, sometimes alam mo yon, naluluha ako. So but I'll try to find the courage to finally one day to finally start my series in my journey as a mother, as an OFW. Sana po subaybayan nyo and please sana hindi kayo magsawang suportahan ako. Thank you so much once again. Ang inyong lingkod, Michelle David Menor. Till my next video. Bye!